Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Portmore Resilience Park. Now this is a massive development. It sits on 26 acres of land and it's going to cost $4.4 billion to build. So this is prime real estate. That's the roundabout by George Lee Boulevard. You turn right, or the traffic that's going right is heading towards the highway. So when you come off the highway coming from Kingston into Portmore, you have to go around this location to get into Portmore. It's a one-way coming from off the Portmore Expressway. So this is a prime location. Now the government has big plans for Portmore. Portmore is going to become a parish. The 15th parish of Jamaica. That's how fast the development is moving in Portmore. And one of the major projects that they have going on in Portmore that's actually on the way. They have a lot in the works, but this one is actually on the way and it should finish sometime this year. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Portmore Resilience Park is a significant development initiative in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, aimed at providing residents and visitors with a dedicated green space for recreation, sports, wellness, and entertainment. This project aligns with the government's broader strategy to enhance urban spaces and promote environmental sustainability. The park is being developed on a 26-acre parcel known as Lot 26 in the Portmore town centre. The estimated investment for the project is $4.4 billion. In 2024-25 fiscal year, approximately $550 million has been allocated for the park's construction, with an anticipated 12% completion during this period. An additional $1 billion is earmarked for the 2025-26 fiscal year to continue the development efforts. The Portmore Resilience Park is designed to serve as a hub for various activities including recreational areas, spaces designated for leisure and relaxation. Number 2, sports facilities, amenities to support various sporting activities. Number 3, wellness zones, areas focused on health and well-being initiatives. 4, entertainment venues, facilities for cultural and entertainment events. Additionally, the park will feature a 3-acre commercial development to support its sustainability and provide services to customers. The construction phase is expected to generate approximately 400 direct jobs and 200 indirect jobs. Upon completion, the park will provide around 70 direct jobs and 30 indirect jobs, contributing to the local economy and community development. The project is slated for completion by 2025, aligning with the government's timeline for establishing Portmore as Jamaica's 15th parish. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. And remember, if there is any development you want us to make a video of, just leave a message in the comment section below. We'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, have a good day.